we are going to write hello world program in Go language. So this is going to be our first program, and I have already created one separate folder for Golang tutorial. So I'm going to write my first program. In order to write that, we have to create a new text file. So let me create a new text file here, and we have to name it with hello Go language extension like .go, and this is going to be changed and it will be a Go file now. Okay, so we can open it with Notepad as well, but I'm going to use VS Code by default. So it is going to be open, and I'm going to write hello world program here. So we have to import package main, then we have to import fmt. Then we have to write function in order to print hello world. So let me just write main function here, and I'm going to print empty dot println hello world. Okay, we have just written hello world program. We just need to save it and we just need to run it. Okay, so save it and close it and go to your folder where you have saved the file hello.go, and in the top side you just have to open cmd. It will open in the same directory, and you just have to run uh, go run and file name hello.go. Yeah, that's all we have to do. Hello world is printed. This is our first program.